Okay, y'all, let's get into this honey bun cake. Wash your pans. I've seen people take these pans straight out their grocery store bags and Walmart bags and then just use them. Wash your pans, guys. But anyway, I use freshly grated cinnamon and brown sugar. I mixed that all together and I set it to the side. That's going to be the filling. And then I worked on my batter. And one box of cake mix, 1, 2, 3, and 4 eggs, large eggs, and a half a cup of oil, and a half a cup of sour cream. And because it felt right, I grated some fresh lemon, and then I added vanilla. I mixed it all up, and then I sprayed my pans down so that this cake don't stick. You add half of your batter to the pan first, spread that all over, and then you add your filling, the cinnamon and brown sugar. Now, for me personally, I don't like using my hands like that when I'm cooking, my fingers and stuff, because I feel like you're playing with the food. I just don't like that, even though my hands are always immaculately clean. So anyway, I had to put the camera down to spoon it all over. So get you an even spread of that middle, and then put the remaining of your batter on top of it. This is so easy, guys. I put it in the oven, baked it for about 30-35 minutes, took it out of the oven, and I forgot this part. I did some little swirls on the cake for whatever reasons. I put it in the oven, and then I went to make the icing. Powdered sugar, canned milk, and vanilla. When I'm baking and cooking, I use canned milk, and because it felt right, I used cream cheese. I whipped up the cream cheese, and I added the powdered sugar, I added the vanilla, and I added my milk. Add the milk a little bit at a time to get the desired consistency of the icing you want. You can't take away, but you can always add to. So anyway, took the cake out the oven and then poked holes in it, because that's what I saw the peoples do, because you want your icing to get all in, you know, that cake, all that ooey ooey goodness, right? So I let my cake cool a little bit, and then I apply the icing. And just like this cake, nice and smooth and just supple, your skin can be too. Get you some oils and bars and say bye to dry skin. Yeah, but this cake was given a Cinnabon feel, not a honey bun. Yeah, but it's good. And leave a comment if you ever tried this cake.